So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire ice maker tray stuck upside down, defrost motor and gear timing. So fix 1 is power down and empty the bin. Turn off the ice maker by flipping the wire shut off arm by or toggling the power option on the refrigerator control panel. Then remove the ice bin completely to clear out existing ice cubes. Second fix is clear the obstruction. Check for rough ice cubes wedged between the tray finger and the mold. Gently move any stuck between ice cube using a silicone spatula. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damaging the tray. Do not force the tray as it may crack the plastic. Third fix is defrost the ice maker. Use a handled hair dryer set to a low warm heat setting to avoid melting plastic component. Direct warm air at the ice maker assembly focusing on the back hinge, tray, underside and motor module housing. Then continue blowing air for 5 to 10 minutes until all frost melt into water. Wipe up all moisture with a dry towel to prevent immediate refrigerating and worsening the jam. Fourth fix is reset the ice maker. Clear the jam and return the tray to its upright position. Restore power to the unit. If available, press and hold the reset or test button until the unit complete a full cycle. If no reset or test button is present, turn off the power for 5 minutes before turning it back on. Thanks for watching.